It's a gloomy day, but I'm on my way to Niagara. I never start in the bathroom, but we're starting in the bathroom. Hello, oops. Hello, hi. Coffee stand, which I don't get involved in. Bed. Person in the corner, I ignore her. View, and yes, it's gloomy, but tomorrow is gonna be sunny. My hair's a mess. Anyways, checked in and ready to go and eat. Say hi.
Hi, GypsyGenz.
She knew the camera was recording this time. Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi.
Eat light.
He says what?
Eat light. Enjoy the drinks.
Imagine. Basically, don't line your belly. Okay? Yeah. Do not line your stomach. Drink all the drinks. These are the people I'm hanging around with.
100%.
God save the Queen. Oh, look at all of that water.
Oh, I was talking about
the what? The water.
The beauty is him, but look at all the water. The water. So guys, we've reached Niagara Falls. So here you are, 2-in-1, America versus Canada. Oh, Canada. This is a Sweet Tooth Heaven versus Hell. This is the chocolate fudge factory. But guys, there is literally like every type of chocolate and nuts in this place.
Have you been doing that?
This will be my 6th year.
Wow.
Come on, expert.
Okay.
So you're the expert then.
Bro.
That's cool.
It smells so good.
It does smell good. What is that?
We're watching him make the double chocolate fudge.
So the table must be really cool, like cold. Marble's a naturally cold stone, so okay.
He has to do this for around 20 minutes to get the correct consistency. Say hi to my camera. My hair just wants to embarrass me. Like, look at it, it's just going. It's going where it's not supposed to be going. Oh,
Shit.
get me back to barking so I can sort this out. I can't deal. Chronicles.
Ew, how does this mask?
Oh, well, everyone's wearing it, but the disability. Hi.
Okay, girls, you know?
Okay, bye.
But guy,
See? This one, she's a death trap. Yeah. She want me for dead. Anyways, tonight's
Yeah,
location.
Park Lane. The movie theater. Yeah. It tastes like the back in the day nachos.
Really?
Yeah, they're actually good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. What am I doing?
You guys want an onion ring or
I'm literally handicapped.
Hello. Yeah. I wanna get away. I wanna fly away. Back it way. Brain freeze in your mother cut, but anyways.
What was he doing? Freeze?
Chug it.
That hurts. It hurts. It's like burning a special way right now.
Niagara Falls in the night. What you're seeing is actually the mist coming from Miss Misty. So I'm wondering if you can actually see it. Right, that's Canadian side, and this, oh, there you go. This is the American side. Miss Misty is actually what I call her because all of this mist is au natural. What time is it?
Skate time!
Skate time!
It's time to roll.
Skate time! Am I geek for leaving the label on the back?
Travel Niche Quiche is here featuring GypsyGenz.
Imagine featuring me on my
On your
recording.
camera?
You're wicked. I mean glasses. Oh God!
It looks good on you. Do you want the thing for your elbow or are you okay?
I'll be fine.
Please be careful.
I will be.
Now
Wow. The first time I've been on skates in like 3 years when I went roller motion. But I ain't actually skated since I was like 9. So here you are. Hi. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Do you know what's the funny thing about skates? Is braking. Like, why is the brakes got to be on the front? Anyways, watch the girl there. She's trying her backwards thing. Oh God. Concentration. Where is she? She's learning.
I was like, I should brought my brace, but I'm like, oh,
we're trying to get it
the old school way. She's a first timer, but she's learning. She's learning. She's learning. She's learning.
Thank you. All y'all need some music, some roller.
I know, right? All right, go.
Oh, Danny! Oh my God, I'm embarrassed. Come on.
Don't be. You're good.
I'm learning.
Yes, Danny. Come on, skater.
Jeez. How to stop now? How to stop? Oh God. So as part of this Niagara weekend, me and the guys have gone to go get massages. Well, the guys have gone already. I'm on my way to get mine. I was going to wear a bikini, but then I realized it's a 15-minute walk. So I'm keeping my same outfit on and going to take a nice slow stroll. I don't know, Falls View is giving me Vegas Strip vibes, you know? How many more of these videos is going to be mask on, mask off. Anyways, massage done. One thing I need to get used to is crossing the road. G's and H's. I was taught to look right then left, but here I need to teach myself to look left and right. Really? Oh, Canada Drinks Part 7. not gonna get drunk today. I hope not. What do you want with me? The famous GypsyGenz? Okay. Oh, Niagara! Oh, wait, hold on. Niagara. There you go, Niagara. Anyways, today is like really cloudy and gloomy, but we are happy, guys. We are happy. Hi, guys. Hello. Hello. They obviously can't hear me.
If I knew it was gonna be that much.
Have my meat to go because I know I'm not gonna finish all this.
That was it's surprising.
It's literally the opposite because remember the daytime rained and then in the evening it got so warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay for now. Juneteenth, black people are free.
Happy Juneteenth.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shout outs. This is the day to celebrate. Yeah. This is our time to be free.
It's really big in America.
Yeah.
It's more big in the States.
The year that we are free from the white hands.
Yeah.
Every June 19th?
Yeah.
Every June
They call it
19th.
Juneteenth. They just made it a national holiday in the U.S.
It's the punches.
Shake. Down. Shake. Down.
Oh, this is the way. Oh.
Why I don't like his slowness.
Done. Okay, soldier. She make it 3, 2, 1. She make it punch. She make it something. Airplane. She make it. And then it's like this one. It's like
I don't like him.
I know. I'm
I've never seen this. Money fight. No, I just watch girls doing it on Instagram. Come out of breath.
They just go so fast. I can't even tell. Damn. First off, I'm not getting that close.
I know.
So if there's one thing about me and my people, we're gonna leave the hotel room as easy as a transition for them to clean. Ain't nobody raised, no different. Towels on the floor. I'm going down. These lot just got stuck in the lift. There's no time for that. Poor guys, how are you feeling?
We survived.
We survived, we thank God. Look at this one. Keish, how are you feeling? Sorry. Anyways, there's always a God wherever there's a situation, and we're fine, we're on the road. Obviously, I walked down because I'm well. Imagine we came to Niagara on Friday. The aim was to do Speedway Niagara. We bought the tickets on Friday. We said we'd come yesterday. Yesterday, the clouds opened. Thanks for sending us your rain. We've come back today, and now they're closed because of COVID regulations. Like, we're leaving. But anyways, I guess the plus side is the tickets are valid for 2 years.
You guys.
And
This is where we're supposed
I'm
to
not
get everything
leaving
from?
for now, so I will come back. Beyonce's song, Irreplaceable. I can't remember how it goes. Yeah. The song that everybody sings. Beyonce. Beyonce, Irreplaceable? No one?
Oh, yeah.
Song?
To the left.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh my God, no, not that song. There you go. To the left, everything you own, and the back to the left. That's my stuff, yeah. If I bought it, please don't touch. Niagara Falls, depending on what part of Ontario you're in, is roughly 2.5 hours drive. I'm staying in the east, so yes, it's definitely not somewhere that you can just come. Like, well, I mean, you can come for the day, but you gotta come early. With COVID, like, nothing is actually open now. Things were open on Friday, things were open on Saturday, but we went to a restaurant yesterday who we were actually informed that the police came to shut them down because somebody decided that they were gonna send a video to the health minister to show them that nobody was social distancing. So yeah, this has been a very fun weekend.
Until Burlington.
Okay. Crossing a bridge. Don't ask me where I'm going, but here I am. I'm trying to learn. She said Hamilton to Burlington. Basically this is west of Toronto.